In today's crochet tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful tape lace. It is very easy and you don't need to make tons of chain stitches to start your project. This easy tape lace is a real winner when it comes to crochet lace. It is worked crocheting until you reach your desired length, and then you add this picot edge to finish it off on the side of the lace. For this tutorial I will be using crochet number 5 crochet cotton as well as a 2.25mm crochet hook. To start, you will be making a slip knot. For the start of this lace, you will need 15 chain stitches. In the 6th chain from the hook, you will make 2 double crochets, 1 chain and another 2 double crochets. So that is 1, 2 double crochets, 1 chain and another 2 double crochets, all in the same chain space. Then skip 2 and make 1 double crochet into the next chain. Then again skip 2 and make 2 double crochet, 1 chain and 2 double crochet into the next chain. That is 2, 1 chain and 2 double crochet. Like that. Then skip 2 and in your last chain stitch make 1 more double crochet. This is what you will have after row 1 is completed. Then for row 2 you will make a turning chain, which is 3 chain stitches. Turn your work anti-clockwise so that you don't twist your turning chain. And then inside this chain space, there, you're going to make 2 double crochets, 1 chain and 2 double crochets. Two, 1 chain and another 2 double crochets. Then in the next double crochet you're going to make another double crochet on top of it, and in this 1 chain space you're going to make 2 double crochets, 1 chain and another 2 double crochets. And 2 more double crochets. And to end off this row we are going to make 1 double crochet into the top of your turning chain. That will be right there. And that is the end of row 2. So you will be making these little double crochet, 2 double crochet chain and 2 double crochet clusters on top of each other, and you will do 1 double crochet on top of the other one double crochet until you reach the desired length that you want. So I will zoom back out now a little bit and I will show you this once more. So for your beginning of row, you will do your turning chain of 3 chain stitches. Remember to always turn your work anti-clockwise so that you don't twist your turning chain. Then in the 1 chain space, we'll be making 2 double crochets, 1 chain and 2 double crochets. On top of your 1 double crochet in the middle of your tape lace, you'll make 1 double crochet. And again, inside this 1 chain space, you'll make 2 double crochets, 1 chain and 2 double crochets. And in the top of your turning chain, you'll make 1 more double crochet. I'll do 1 more in slow motion for you. As soon as you reach the desired length that you want, The tape lace is then finished off with a picot detail on one side of the lace. So this side you will leave as it is, and this side you can also leave as it is. So to finish off the crochet lace with your picot edge, I start by making 4 chain stitches. Let me zoom in a little. And then make your picot by going into the 3rd chain from the hook. Grab your yarn and just make a little slip stitch. So you have 1 chain and 1 picot detail. We're going to make 1 single crochet into this space. And you have your first picot edge detail on the side. To make the picots, you're going to make 3 chain stitches. To finish the picot, put your hook into the 3rd chain stitch from the hook, grab the yarn and just pull it through all of the stitches to make your little picot stitch, and then make 1 single crochet into that space. Like that. And you can see 2 little picot edges forming. So we'll keep doing that until we reach the end of this tape lace, making 3 chain stitches, putting the hook into the 3rd chain stitch from the hook, grab the yarn and just make a little slip stitch to finish off the picot edge, and then a single crochet into the next open space. 3 chain stitches to make your picot, hook into the 3rd chain from the hook, making a little slip stitch to finish off that picot, and making a single crochet into the next space. Next little picot, and single crochet into the next available space. And we will be doing exactly the same in the last space. We make our little picot and single crochet into that space, and then you can just cut your yarn and thread it through. This is what your lace will look like when you're finished. You'll have a straight edge on this side, a straight edge on this side, and your little picot detail on the one side. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe if you would like to see any more of my tutorials or any other videos on my channel. If you're looking for a different lace video, check out this video next right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.